Now, I've noticed something recently that I absolutely love, and that's a lot of you are starting social media channels for your businesses, as you should be, so that you can market yourself through your social media channel. And I think that a lot of y'all are going to be able to actually do this as part of your revenue stream someday, and some of you actually already are. So what I want to do today is for those of you who do want to grow your social media channels, perhaps just with your clients, but also perhaps beyond your clients, either way, there's going to be some ways that you can monetize your social media, and I want to help you out on that journey because I had to learn that the hard way by myself, just like I had to figure out the handyman business by myself. And what I'm going to focus on today is one particular company that I really love, and if y'all follow me, you already know about this company. It's Impact. I spoke at their conference this year, I spoke at their conference last year, and I think it's going to be a great foot in the door for you guys to start figuring out how to monetize your social media channels. And today I'm going to explain to you why I think Impact is the best company for you to use to grow your social media influencer revenue base, and what it is specifically about Impact that I really love the most. So we're just going to dive right in, and I'm going to say first and foremost, if nothing else, the Impact platform is free and easy to use. It does not cost you anything. All you've got to do is go there, sign up for an account, link whatever social media page it is you use, and boom, you've got an account. And believe it or not, on day one, once you get your account signed up, there's going to be a lot of brands that you can partner with immediately that you're pre-qualified for. And then you can actually go and start searching for all the brands that you're not pre-qualified for, but that you'd love to work with. And I want to give you just a little example here. I'm currently talking to Moen about a product that they're putting out right now that you hook into your house's water supply, and it uses ultrasonic detectors to listen for leaks inside your pipes, and it will shut off the water to your house if it detects a leak inside your pipes in your house. Now, that's not something that's only valuable for an influencer like me to pitch to my viewers like you. It's actually valuable for you to pitch to your homeowners. So instead of simply going to your homeowner and saying, hey, I'd like to install this on your house if you're interested, instead you can put out social media with a link in the description for them to check it out, and you may or may not be able to get some commission for that. It's just one small way that I can point out upfront in advance how you, as simply a handyman or a home services business owner, might be able to actually harness the Impact platform just right off the bat for your business. Which brings me to the number 2 reason I love working with the Impact platform. That is because they are huge. They have tons of brands. Almost every single brand that I work with is on Impact. Almost every single brand that I want to work with, when I go try to figure out what affiliate platform they're on, I always find that they're on Impact. And there's a very good chance that whatever you're interested in is going to be represented on the Impact platform, and you're going to be able to partner with the companies that you already love and trust with your own business and with your own clients. And I think if I really had to narrow it down, one of my favorite things about the Impact platform is the ease of use and transparency. And what I mean by that is when you're on this platform and you're trying to figure out what to do and how to do it, generally you can look at the screen and it's easy to figure out what button is going to take you to the place you're trying to get to. And once you get there, the first step, the second step, and the third step, they're all going to make sense. You're going to be able to figure it out. But even if you have a little bit of trouble figuring it out, they have a great AI chatbot. And I know, 5 years ago, an AI chatbot was the last thing in the world you wanted. But I'm telling you today, especially with Impacts, their chatbot is amazing. It understands the platform, it understands the process, and if you have questions about what to do next, you can just go ask that chatbot, and it's going to tell you exactly what to do and how to do it, and even link you there sometimes. So this platform is just so insanely easy to use, and they're transparent in terms of understanding what your numbers are. If you want to know how many clicks you got on a link, how many of those converted, whatever it is you're trying to figure out, cost per click, cost per action, revenue per action, all of these things are easy to find inside the Impact platform because they just lay it all out transparently for you from square one. Man, I keep wanting to tell y'all that the next thing is my favorite thing, but I guess they're all my favorite things. So let's just say one of my favorite things is that the Impact platform is the tip of the spear when it comes to AI. They are harnessing AI from every corner, from every perspective. They're putting it into everything. They're the most AI-forward platform that I personally work for. And I'll give you one small example. They literally have an AI agent that's just there to help you. Now, this is in beta at the moment, but it's getting released over time. It's coming out very soon. And this AI agent is going to help you find brands, apply to brands. It's going to help you negotiate your rate with the brands. It's really going to act as an agent on your behalf with these brands. And this is rolling out really, really soon. And no other platform has this, guys. So they're going to not only be free, not only be easy to use, not only have all the brands that you want to connect with, not only are they the tip of the spear with AI already, but they're literally going to help you along the way, every step along the way with their AI products to get you connected to the brands that you want to be connected to at a rate that you and the brand can both be very happy with. Now, I'm going to put my foot down here for sure, though. I'm going to say that this actually is my favorite thing about the Impact platform, and I want you to know how sincerely I mean this. The Impact platform is full of great people. It's run by great people. It's staffed by great people. You know, I've got Catherine over there, Marie, Charlotte, Molly, Olivia. I'm probably missing tons of names. I'm sorry if I'm missing your name, but the truth is this platform has done a great job of hiring the most amazing people from all over the world to make this thing work. And I interact with them on a very routine basis, and I can tell you they're passionate about succeeding. They're passionate about the platform succeeding. They're passionate about the affiliate world. They're passionate about everything that they do, and they work their butts off as hard as they can work to make sure that it works for you and it works for me and it works for everybody, including the brands. It's just full of great people, and I think the reason it is because of the next thing, which is that it has great leadership. The leadership of this company, what I'll tell you just face to face, I'll look you in the eyes, the employees of this company are always bragging to me about how amazing the company is, how great the company treats them when they're sick, when they need maternity leave, when they have family issues going on. This company treats their employees like they're people, as they should, because their employees are people, but this company really goes out of their way to be a highly moral and highly ethical actor upon the world. And they don't have to do that, but I do believe that the reason they do that is because they understand that their employees are going to equally take good care of them because they're taking good care of the employees. But these employees, guys, they love the Impact platform. The Impact platform loves them and treats them well. They're an amazing platform, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And I may not be the best in the world at being articulate enough to describe it, but what I really want to impress upon you is that if you've got a small YouTube channel, TikTok channel, Instagram, if you've gotten these channels for your business already, whether it only has your homeowners and your clients and your property managers following you, or whether you have a much wider audience following you, this may or may not become a source of revenue. This may or may not become part of the security blanket that you get to build for your family moving into the future. And I want you to always keep your mind open and be looking for all the possibilities and making sure, the whole point of this channel, right, is that I want to help founders and fathers and husbands and everyone out there to be able to properly provide for their families, because I was in a position where I didn't feel like I could do that very well. And when I found out that I could, I wanted to share that with you guys. And I still want to continue sharing what I'm figuring out with you guys. A lot of you guys are coming into my space. I'm so happy for you. By the way, if you're trying to build your TikTok channel, your Instagram channel, your YouTube channel, if you're trying to build those, let me know, because I'll be happy to give you advice the same way that I'm happy to answer your emails and talk to you about how to grow your handyman business. I'm also happy to talk to you about how to grow your social media business as well. So reach out to me and let me know. I'll help you every way that I can. And I do have to mention, by the way, just for FTC compliance and whatnot, they are sponsoring this video. Of course, yes, they are, but because they're sponsoring this video doesn't mean that anything I'm saying has been scripted by them. They literally just said, we just want you to talk about how you feel about the platform and how you feel about moving forward with the platform and what you like about the platform, because they know I'm already such a big fan. But I want to take one last opportunity to just look you in the eyes. Between you and me, I think that the Impact platform is a great place for you to build your social media revenue streams off of. They are everything that I would ask for in a platform to help me along with this, and I think they're going to do a great job with you guys. So please go over there, get yourself signed up, see if there aren't a couple small brands that you can get connected with right now, and start earning, even if it's just a little bit, start earning some revenue right now with a little tiny social media empire that you've just started building, all right? So I love you guys. I hope you're out there killing it, and I'll see y'all on the next one.